Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Intel NUC X15 reference gaming laptop. So friend, Intel has launched the NUC X15 reference gaming laptops, and friend, this laptop kits featuring Tiger Lake processors and NVIDIA RTX 30 series graphics. These laptops are sold direct to the system integrators without memory or storage, are not available for direct consumer purchase, so availability and pricing are unknown yet. And friend, Intel has two processor options available with the Core i5-11400H and i7-11800H pair with RTX 3060 or RTX 3070 graphics card. And friend, the three display option all feature narrow bezel IPS panels and are available in 144 Hz Full HD, 240 Hz Full HD and 165 Hz QHD configuration. And friend, the laptops all feature mechanical keyboard with RGB lighting, Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4, PCIe Generation 4 storage, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, Windows Hello and 94-watt battery. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.